Okay, so this just arrived. I'm really excited. I got to borrow a set of these from a friend of mine and I fell in love with them. So I am now going to unbox them with my house keys because I don't know where my scissors are. Alright, here we go. I think this is the back. There it is, the Austrian Audio OC18 Dual Set Plus. Check this really nifty Velcro strip thingy. This is always super handy when you need to tie up cables and stuff. So thank you for that. I'll save that. Okay. And now for the big reveal. Oh wait, let's check out this handmade ceramic CKR6 capsule. Looks very impressive. Apparently the ceramic diaphragms are very consistent, so to find a matched pair is a lot easier, and they don't age like your alloys do apparently, so you don't get like a change in tone the older the mic gets, which I think is pretty cool because the way you buy it is the way it's going to sound. So here we go. Cool little case. Well, not so little, but it's a case with a quick start guide. Ah, nice. Inspection, verification, some stickers. Always handy. I have no idea what this paper does. But
yeah, let's see.
Okay, here's a cool little diagram just showing you where the what happens when you use the high pass and pad switches. Very nice. And each of them come with a windshield, which I don't think I'm going to use very often because there's no wind in the drum room. Well, not regularly anyways. But here we go. You can actually see the capsule from my side. Very nice. So I have the option of either using this microphone clip or a cool little shock mount, which I think is a really nifty design. First off, because of the shape of the mic, it's not gonna swivel around, and every component here is made of metal. There's no plastic on these components, so all of them are really solid and well built, and this thing tightens up pretty well. Very nice. Nice. Each clip comes with its own insert. Then of course you have one of these, which I'll have to go and look at a YouTube video to figure out how to use them, or I'll just phone a friend. So yes, very excited. I'm gonna try these microphones on a few different positions on the drum kit, and then maybe I'll compare it with a few of my other options, and let's see what they sound like. So it's 4 months later. Since I got these microphones, the floodgates have really just opened up and I have been working non-stop. And I can honestly tell you that I've used these microphones in all of the recording work that I've done. So it's not like they've been sitting on the shelf. But finally, I am getting around to showcasing these microphones to you guys and comparing them with a few other options so that you can get a good idea of what they sound like. Yeah, so, okay, before we dive into the comparisons, 1 or 2 disclaimers and maybe just a bit of background information. So, firstly, the room that I'm using has not been designed by some world-class acoustic engineer or anything. It's literally just a room, and I'm kind of treating it with my own limited knowledge of acoustics and all that kind of jazz. It really works for me thus far, but I mean, it's far from a perfectly designed room. The other thing is, this is not a science experiment. So, I mean, there are a lot of variables. I tried my best to gain match the levels and to get the diaphragms of the microphones as close to each other as I could, but there might be some imperfections that you'll have to deal with. Hopefully they are not so big that they completely interfere with the referencing process. So anyway, during this process, you might hear some cars driving by in my neighborhood. You might hear my neighbors partying. But yeah, this is me showcasing the microphone with what I have. So let's dive into it.